Okay, we're drawing the cross section of wood, and here we're using oak. And I'm going to kind of start in the middle here where you kind of see very, very small cells, probably tracheids, maybe some fibers here, kind of in the middle. And we have running through this section some very large rays that have multiple layers of parenchyma cells. And you can also see, alright, these are my rays. And we're seeing those parenchyma cells at the top as they're running through from pith, which we can't see, to cortex, which we can't see because this is a large piece of wood and we're just getting to see a very, very tiny slice of that. But the parenchyma would be connecting those other ground tissue cells, the pith and the cortex. We have really large vessel elements on one side of our slice, and they get a little smaller fairly quickly, but still much larger than the tracheids and fibers. And then on the other side, we just have those small vessels that we can kind of see kind of scattered throughout there. And so that makes this area with the very large vessels the early wood. On the other side, that would be our late wood. As the cells change in size from being very large early in the spring to decreasing in size as the season progresses and it begins to dry out, become very hot. The fibers you can pick up kind of sporadically in here. They're not going to have any lumen whatsoever. And they're kind of patchily distributed throughout the wood. And then of course inside of our ray, all of these cells are parenchyma cells. And then those very large cells, those are vessel elements. And then some of the smaller ones will be our tracheids.